Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Cooking with Debs. You know what we do on this channel already, and on today's tutorial, trust me, it is an amazing, interesting one. Yes, I know you see me cleaning my snail. You'll be wondering, do we always clean snail on this channel? No, yeah, I know I've put up 2 tutorial videos on how to get rid of snail slime using gari and lime. I'm also going to do another tutorial video using alum and salt. It's basically the same procedure though, you just rub them over it, but I'm still going to put out the visuals out there. You know I love you all. So today's tutorial is really an interesting one. I got an order over the weekend to make a pack of snail and crabs, and I said, you know what, my YouTube channel has to see this, and I went ahead to do like a tutorial video. You know me. So first step is to put your snail into a clean pot, add water, you're going to add pepper, salt, and you're going to season that with your seasoning cube. I used 1 seasoning cube, and you're going to give that a quick stir. You're going to cover, allow it to cook for like 15 to 30 minutes, because it really doesn't take time before it cooks. Yes, but you can always look at it, like, you know, at times I just forget my my stove, my pot on the stove, and I go to do other things. I added onion, yeah, the purple onion, it was so pretty, and yeah, it is cooked. I am quickly going to take that off and set that aside, and I'm going to quickly rush into chopping my vegetables. And for this particular recipe, I used onion, I used yellow bell pepper, I used red bell pepper and green bell pepper. I added a little bit of garlic. I didn't add ginger, but you can add ginger if you want to, because I actually asked my client if he was comfortable with anything. Like I would always say on my channel, if you're allergic to things, take it out. And yes, I have to address this issue, guys. I know my YouTube channel family might not know this, but then I have my WhatsApp community as well. If you want to join that, you could let me know. I would always send the link to you. So I posted the video I made about my noodles, yes, and you know, like I kept saying, I'm going to wash my veggies. Okay, that's the red bell pepper, and what you see me chopping here is the garlic. Someone said I was calling my veggies veggies. Please, it is vegetables. I just had to clear that out. And yes, this is everything already. We have our yellow pepper all chopped up and all diced, nicely chopped up. We have our soy sauce, we have our chili pepper and our granola oil. So I'm going to start by frying my snail. Yes, I don't know, this is how I make my own peppered snail. This is Debbie's kitchen's version. I'm going to show you the general version everybody does, but this is me. So I am quickly going to fry that because I want it to be, you know, crispy, like you get that crunch. So let's take a look at the amazing thing we're going to prepare. So we're going to go into actually doing the peppered snail itself. So that's the pepper and everything we'll be needing. So I'm going to start by adding little oil to my frying pan, and I'm going to quickly add my onion, and I'm going to add the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, yes, onion, and I'm going to add the garlic, yes, and that's the Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, this was really hot, yes, and that is the garlic, and I'm going to give that a quick mix, and I'm going to go ahead to add my sweet chili pepper. This is really very sweet. And then I added my soy sauce. That was it. I'm sorry I didn't make that really visible. It was a client's order. And then I'm going to add like salt for taste, and I'm going to add seasoning cube as well. I'm going to season that up so it is tasty. So when you actually eat this, you can actually use this particular sauce to like eat your rice, because it's like pan-seared veggies as well, but then it's actually very spicy. The bell peppers are actually very sweet. You can use them in your salad, so I did. Now this is my trick. I added a little bit of lime. Yes, I added lime to it, and that gave it that acidic balance. It gave it that kick. It really tied the dish together. I'm going to give that a quick stir, and then I'm going to put my snail, guys, and that is how I actually make my pepper snail. Very simple, very fast, very direct. Now what you need to do, I've done my own part. You have to give this video a thumbs up. I really worked hard, guys, and I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Cooking with Debs. Always come back for more, because I have more videos to come. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And here, this is how I packed it. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Keep watching the rest of the videos. And yeah, in the next video, you will be seeing this amazing cocktail. This is just a virgin mojito. I'm going to make mojito, but I am going to do the one with the alcoholic content, as well as lasagna, pizza, palm baked pizza as well, and of course our ratatouille. I love that animation, so I'm going to recreate that dish. So if you're yet to subscribe, please don't miss an opportunity to learn amazing stuff, and until next time, enjoy.